Hey friends, welcome back to another exciting video. Today we're diving deep into a popular cleaning hack that has been making rounds online. You've probably seen people claiming that a simple combination of vinegar, salt, soap, and baking soda can magically remove burnt stains from a pan. But does it really work? I have here a heavily burnt pan and we're going to put this method to the ultimate test. I'll be walking you through the step-by-step process, showing you exactly how it's done, and sharing my honest thoughts on whether this hack is a game changer or just another internet myth. So grab a seat, get comfortable, and let's get started. Alright, let's start by gathering everything we need. For this experiment, we're going to be using baking soda, a well-known household cleaner, often used for scrubbing tough stains. White vinegar, famous for its acidic properties which help break down grime and grease. Salt, a natural abrasive that can aid in scrubbing. Dish soap, to cut through the grease and enhance cleaning effectiveness. Paper towels, for soaking and wiping down the surface. I have labeled everything clearly and set them up on my counter. Now let's take a closer look at our test subject, the burnt pan. This pan has seen better days. It's covered in thick black soot that looks like it's going to need some serious scrubbing. But according to the method we found, this simple mixture should make it spotless with almost no effort. First, we're going to sprinkle a generous amount of baking soda onto the burnt surface. Next, we'll add some salt, ensuring it covers the entire stained area. The idea here is that the abrasive texture of the salt will help break down the residue. Then, we'll pour white vinegar over the mixture. You'll notice that the vinegar reacts with the baking soda, creating a fizzing effect. This reaction is supposed to loosen up the stubborn stains, making them easier to remove. To finish the setup, we'll add a few drops of dish soap and spread it around with a paper towel. Now, we're going to let this soak for about 25 minutes and see what happens. While we wait, let's take a moment to discuss why these ingredients are commonly used in household cleaning. Baking soda is an alkaline compound that works as a mild abrasive. It's great for deodorizing, removing grease, and lifting stains without damaging surfaces. Vinegar is acetic acid, which dissolves mineral deposits, grease, and grime. It's often used in combination with baking soda to enhance cleaning power. Salt provides scrubbing power, similar to using a soft scouring pad. Dish soap breaks down oils and grease, making it easier to clean stubborn messes. Now that we understand the science behind this method, let's check on our pan. Drumroll, please. Alright, moment of truth. After 25 minutes, let's wipe away the mixture and see what's underneath. Scrubbing sounds. Wait a minute. This doesn't look quite right. The pan still has a lot of burnt stains. It's not nearly as clean as I expected. Let's try scrubbing a little harder. Nope, still not coming off easily. So, what's going on here? This method looked so effective in the online demonstrations, but in reality, it's not quite the miracle solution they made it out to be. Lesson learned. While baking soda and vinegar can help clean certain messes, they're not powerful enough to magically remove burnt stains without scrubbing. You still need some good old-fashioned elbow grease to get the job done. Since this method didn't deliver the results we hoped for, let's explore some alternative ways to clean a burnt pan effectively. First up, boiling water and baking soda. One of the best ways to lift burnt-on stains is to boil water in the pan with a few tablespoons of baking soda. The heat helps loosen the residue, making it easier to scrub away. Next, if you prefer a natural alternative, try scrubbing with lemon and salt. The acidity of the lemon breaks down the burnt material, while the salt acts as a gentle abrasive. Sometimes, store-bought cleaners specifically designed for burnt pans are the best option. Look for products labeled heavy-duty degreaser or stain remover for cookware. And finally, at the end of the day, nothing beats manual scrubbing with a tough scouring pad or steel wool. It takes effort, but it works. So, after testing this viral cleaning hack, here's what we discovered. Baking soda and vinegar can help with some stains, but they won't magically erase burnt-on messes. You still need to scrub. No shortcuts here. There are better methods like boiling water with baking soda or using commercial cleaners. Not everything you see online is as simple as it looks. At the end of the day, the best cleaning method is the one that actually works for you. If you've ever tried this or have your own cleaning tips, let me know in the comments. Before we wrap up, I want to thank you all for watching and hanging out with me today. If you found this video helpful or just entertaining, Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Also, if you have any cleaning hacks you'd like me to test next, drop them in the comments below. I'm always up for a new experiment. Until next time, stay safe, stay clean, and keep testing those internet hacks. See you in the next video.